I'm going to show you 9 products that I made really good money on flipping, doing arbitrage. Arbitrage is when you buy products for a very low price at Best Buy, Walmart, TJ Maxx, and Whoop.com. Those are the stores we're showing you today. You buy these products, find really good deals, and then you actually sell them for more money on Amazon. I've been doing this for a while now, and it's one of the best ways to get started on Amazon, especially if you only have like $200, $300, $500 to get started, because you just can't start private label with that kind of money. So let me go into this, but before I do, I want to let you know I just put out a brand new Facebook group so I can connect with all of you subscribers. I really just don't have the opportunity to engage with you guys and answer your questions on YouTube like I do on Facebook. So I'll put a link to that below. It's called Honest Amazon FBAers. That's the name of the group. And with this, let's go into these products. So these products right here, I bought. This one right here is my very first product ever that I flipped. I have so many new subscribers that I'm bringing it out one more time to show you guys. I bought this in the Walmart clearance section. Believe me, I had zero clue what I was doing the first time I went into there. But I bought 3 of these calculators and 7 more of another calculator. And overall, I pretty much doubled my money on each of these. I bought them. I sold this one for $36.50, and also sold and I bought them. So I sold them for $36.50, bought them for $16.50, and with that, I made 90% on my money. This $16.50, I actually bought them for $15, but you got to include a little bit of money for the sales tax because I didn't have my sales tax reseller's license back then. And also got to include some money for shipping to Amazon. So if you guys are enjoying this video, stay tuned for the very last product I show you because I made over $200 per unit that I flipped of this product. It was insane money. Overall, probably profited $800 to $1,000 total on that product. So one of literally my best flip ever. No, I'm not literally my best flip ever. So I bought these from Walmart. One tip for you guys that you need to know if you're doing arbitrage. If we take a look here at the sales history, let's make sure it's recording. Okay, let's take a look for the actual search history for this product. Search for the product, and you see there are 2 listings that are for the exact same product. This one right here and this one right here for the exact same product. And so sometimes you will find this situation. So when I entered the market, one of these listings was selling for $5 more than the other one. Okay, and both of them had great sales velocity still, so I could sell my product. And I mean, $5 is a pretty big margin difference on a product like this. So sometimes you want to check out and see if there's multiple listings. It will happen for products that are selling a lot of units. Okay, if a product's only selling 10 units, every couple of days, it's not going to have 2 listings. But if something like this, it's selling a lot, it will have sometimes multiple listings. So this is something I picked up at TJ Maxx. Okay. Really clean flip over at TJ Maxx. Sadly, I only found one of these, but I unloaded it for $170. Picked them up for $70, but I got to pay shipping to Amazon, which was probably only like $6, but we'll make it $10. And I made it clean $50 on this flip on this one product. Very easy. TJ Maxx's, some TJ Maxx's actually have a clearance section in them. So I found this in the clearance section of what is a clearance store. So when you find TJ Maxx's that have that, almost always will you find good deals in that clearance section. And that's where I found this product. So this next one, I actually bought this on Whoop.com. So bought it at Whoop.com. Now this is a refurbished product flip. This isn't a brand new product. So there is a whole new market for refurbished products. That's not new products. But so I sold these for $75. I sold all 3 of them for $75. I bought 3 and I sold them for $85, and I purchased them for $40 a piece. So we got to include a little bit of money to ship to Amazon, but we'll just say I made $30 a piece off of these. That's probably what I made, and so $120 off of 3. Sadly, that was the maximum purchase price you could have, but still really great money. $120 on these 3 units. And one thing right here is I actually have the Woot app on my phone. And pretty much every day I'll get a push notification of some of the best and hottest deals on Woot. So that's where I find some of my good deals is on the Woot app. They're a lot harder to find on these really good deals, and these really limited time ones are sometimes best to find on the actual app. So that's that product right there. Let's go take a look at these products. So this is something I found at TJ Maxx. It's just it's a hair dryer. Found this product and I bought 3 of these. So I bought them for I bought them for $40. And this, by the way, is the Rev Seller extension. I'll put a link to it in the description. It's one of the most useful things for doing arbitrage because you can see right here if I can sell the product or not. I'm hoping all of these said I could sell the product that I could when I was able to actually sell them. So, but that's the fastest way to know if you can actually sell a product or not. Some of these products are restricted and you cannot sell them. So, but anyways, so I sold it for $80, bought it for 40. You know, a couple of dollars shipping to Amazon. So I probably made $20 flat on each of these, and that was a $30. That was $20 a piece, so $60 total profit there. This right here, one of my favorite flips. Not because it was like my most profitable, but I was able to buy 10 of these, and I think it's the coolest product ever. This is a shower head that shows you the actual temperature of your water as it's coming out of your shower. Really cool. I almost bought one, almost kept one for myself, but I bought them. Right now, you can see they're selling for $50, but at the time they were selling for $60. So sold them for $60, bought them for $33, but I gotta add a little bit of money for shipping, so $35. You know, overall, not the best return on my money, only 31%, but still bought 10 of them, made, you know, over $100 profit on these. So let's go take a look at the next product here. This right here, okay, so I bought a bunch of these from, let me scroll down so you can see the product. I bought a bunch of these from TJ Maxx. I just went around to every TJ Maxx in my store, and there was 3 of them. So I picked up like 7 or 8 of these products. I'm pretty sure it was 8. And these are just like a speaker for your phone. I mean, you don't even need to know what the products are to flip them. You just need to understand the numbers. This is a good example of what happens when things don't always go your way. This is a product I was expecting to be able to sell for $100, but I only was able to sell them for $80. They just weren't selling very fast, and there was some price competition that came in, so I ended up selling them all for $80 instead of the $100. But you can see, even though things didn't go my way, price dropped because I picked a really good product to start. Even in that case, okay, I still made money. That's the thing. The worst case scenario is usually that you just don't make as much money as you expected, or you break even when you're doing arbitrage. So as long as you pick the right products to start, typically the worst case scenario is that you break even or make less money than you were hoping. So, but there's still $80 profit off of those units. Right here, we're looking at some baby monitors. Now, I flipped a bunch of these, probably 8 of them, either from different Best Buys had them on sale, or I also, from that liquidator, I was buying stuff from a while. You shouldn't be buying stuff from a liquidator that just gives you really crappy receipts, but I was doing that, and I ended up getting my account suspended. I will put a link to that video if you want to see how I got suspended and unsuspended right here, but I'll put a link to it in the description also. You can see here, I bought these products from between $220 and I sold them for between like $220, $250, and I bought them for between $120 and $150. You know, if I bought them for $120, I made 50%. I made $60 a piece. If I bought them for $150, not near as good, depending on my sale price. I mean, if I sold them for $250, still made really good money. Overall, though, made really good money on these 8 units, multiple hundreds of dollars, and I just flipped baby monitors. This is actually the company that I contacted the CEO directly and told them, hey, your sales on Amazon suck for so many reasons. Let me help you. Okay, what I actually told them is, you're missing out on $20,000 to $50,000 a month in revenue on Amazon because you're doing a bad job of selling your product. And you can see here, I mean, look at this. They don't even have a buy box because this product is priced higher than Amazon thinks is fair. Either that or Amazon sees this product as selling for less on another website. For either of those 2 reasons, Amazon will get rid of the buy box. And if this company just came in here, fixed their listings, you could see that their title is garbage. If they came in here, fixed their listings, actually had their product selling at what price it should be, they'd be getting a lot more sales for not just this one, their other ones. I told them that, and still, for some reason, I couldn't get their product actually sold to me so I could sell on Amazon. But that's what it is. I'll put a link to that video below also if you want to see my strategy there. But let's go on to the last product. Okay, $200 plus profit per item I sold here. This one I bought. These are speakers, really expensive ones. I'm pretty sure they have a minimum advertised price of like $700. because that's what they were selling. That's what they've been selling for consistently. You could see one $699.98 is the lowest one. Oh, you guys can't see that. Now you can. $699.98 is the lowest price right now by Amazon. But I sold these products for $700. I've been selling there forever. I bought 2 of them from Best Buy for $400, plus I got for $400 all in, plus I got to ship to Amazon, so $410. And I bought 2 more for a little bit more from that liquidator I was talking about earlier. So I made less on those. I made about $150 on those actual speakers. So overall, though, literally like $800 in profit off of these speakers. And some of it was from Best Buy. So anybody could have bought those speakers from Best Buy. That was a Best Buy daily deal that I was seeing. So bought those 2 speakers. That was the maximum order quantity. But Best Buy daily deals, get the app on your phone and you will find them there. So overall, I mean, those are the products that I flipped, made great money on. Overall, there's a lot. Okay, so arbitrage is one of the best ways to get started selling on Amazon, because you can get started with like 200, 400, 500 bucks, whereas doing private label, you're gonna need $2,000 plus to do that. I've actually got a full course on how to do arbitrage. You know, whether you want to buy stuff in store or online, I go straight from A to Z, everything that you need to know. I even had one girl, her name was Lynn, tell me that she learned more off of my course than she did off of the $2,000 training program that she paid money for. So I felt pretty good about that, pretty good testament to the course. I'll put a link to the course below if you want to take a look at that. And with that, please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to help you guys get to your first 5K a month on Amazon. That's why I make these videos. And with that, I will see you in the next video. Please hit the subscribe button.